Hey guys, today's video I want to share with you guys some DIYs I created with some Dollar Tree planters that you can use to decorate your home, birthday parties, or even at a wedding. When I saw this planter at Dollar Tree, I instantly fell in love with the shape of it. It was different from any of the other ones that I've seen, and I love the splatter paint effect on it. I know a lot of us have been doing this as DIYs for the regular planters that we see. We've been doing the splatter effect, so to find planters that already had that splatter effect on it saved me a step, was amazing. And when I saw these two different shapes of these planters at Dollar Tree, I instantly thought that if I put them together, I could create those planters that you always see outside of people's houses right in front of the door, where it's like two layers. And so that is what I'm doing with these two, and I'm using a mixture of the hot glue and also that E6000 glue that, well, not E6000 glue, but a Dollar Tree version of E6000 glue, that adhesive glue that I always use in my tutorials that I share with you guys, that you can get in the tool section at Dollar Tree to attach both of them together. And I'm also going to take these marbles and add them inside of the planters, because if you guys live in Texas like I do, there are some heavy winds, so you always have to add a lot of weight to your planters out there, or they will get blown away by the wind. And that is just daily. That's not even storm season. It's just that our winds are always daily, just a lot. So I always add rocks or marbles to my planters. In this case, I did marbles because I had a lot on hand. So I'm just putting a bag in there. At the bottom, you can also just fill them up with rocks and stick your planters in that way, which I actually think that I plan to do that now. It's looking okay now, but I feel like I want to just add some rocks and kind of stick the planters in that way, so the planters don't, the actual greenery doesn't move. But you can do it either or. You can put it in a baggie like this, and then you can also just put in your greenery or whatever flowers you want to into like a green foam, and then stick it on top of there. Or you can actually put them loosely in there. So the greenery that I'm putting in there is a mixture of this greenery right here and a couple of other greeneries that I saw at, I was about to say Walmart, but Dollar Tree. They have some beautiful greenery lately that looks so realistic. There's a lot of greenery and flowers that I don't get from Dollar Tree because they look fake, but sometimes you will get lucky and you will find the ones that look actually lifelike. And these three are the ones that I figured look lifelike, and so those are the ones that I chose for this planter. And so here's how the planter looks without any flowers in it. I always like to show you the DIY, how it looks plain, before I show you how I added my touches to it. And here's how it looks with the greenery. I love it. You can use this indoors or you can use it outdoors. But where I want to use it is I plan to use it in my front door. I made two of them, and they are going to be on either side of my door in the front door, which I love so much. And I like the fact that I can take this one, since it is black and white, I can actually change out the different flowers or greenery or anything that I use throughout the year and just change it for the season. So it's very neutral. I just love how these two came out. Another planter that I saw at Dollar Tree that I love the style of was this one right here. They come in a bunch of colors, but I loved the white one because it looked so high-end and elegant to me. And at first I was going to use them separately for different Easter things, but then I decided that I liked putting them together like I did the other one, and I felt like these two gave a more elegant kind of glam look. And so I think that the one that I showed you guys at the beginning is kind of like a farmhouse type of decor, and I feel like this one is more high-end type of decor. So when it comes to the planters at Dollar Tree, you can basically take any style and kind of do this with it. Get a smaller one and a bigger one, and just find the one that fits your style for your home. These pool noodle extenders that they're selling right now for the summertime at Dollar Tree are perfect whenever you're doing any type of floral decor, because you can easily stick any floral or flowers into them and they hold in place. I actually didn't do it with the first planter that I showed you guys, but I plan to redo that one and actually use these, because these kept the flowers in place and they did not move or budge at all. And the flowers that I'm using for this one, I wanted to share with you guys the flowers that I used for my daughter's quince. I had a lot left over from the birthday party, so I like to reuse these flowers because I don't want to, I bought so many for the party, I want to reuse them as much as I can. So the first way that I'm going to show you how to do it is how you can decorate this planter for like a wedding or a birthday party with these type of flowers. And this is how this planner DIY turned out. As you can see, it's so beautiful. You can use this for quinceañeras, parties, birthday parties, weddings. This is so beautiful and elegant. You can use it for any party decor. You can also use it for your home as well if that is your style. I decided that the flowers were a little bit too much on kind of like the Valentine's Day side or spring side, and I kind of want to move into summer. So what I did was I'm using these in my living room, but I decided to put some greenery and some baby's breath in it for the summertime, and I do plan to change these out as well come the holidays. So stay tuned. You'll see in my clean and decorate with me, or when I share with you guys my decorations over the different seasons, I will be using this one in my living room and changing out the floral and the flowers. So in the Dollar Tree Plus section, they also have these planners that are $5. They have this beautiful design on them, and they're bigger than the ones that are $1.25. And I'm actually going to glue two of them together to create two different type of DIYs for you guys as well. Now for the first DIY, we're going to be creating a fountain out of this. And so I'm going to take this small planner that I got in the $1.25 section and put it inside of that, because I'm also going to put this plastic bowl that you can get in the party section to be where the water is going to be for our fountain. Now in between the space between the bowl and the planter, I'm going to stuff this greenery. It's the same greenery that I used for the planner that I shared with you before in between it, and so I can add some type of greenery around this this fountain. You can add flowers, but like I said, I'm going into summer, so I wanted to give it more of like a summer look, and I feel like with summertime it's a lot of greenery as opposed to a lot of flowers. This DIY fountain would look pretty anywhere in your home. I'm actually using it in my back porch, so when I sit on my back porch I can hear the waterfalls and kind of be like relaxing. The fountain that I got is a solar power fountain that you can get on Amazon. I will link it down below if you guys want to get it. I was worried because once I put it together, I saw that the straws that come with it were too long for the bowl. So I decided that I would cut it to the size that I needed it to be to fit the bowl. And I was super scared because I didn't know if me cutting it would prevent it from it working, but it didn't. It actually still worked, and I love it. It makes this beautiful sound when I'm outside of the little waterfalls. I was thinking about gluing one of the ceramic birds that I got at Dollar Tree as well to a part of it, but I felt like I was gonna be a little bit too heavy. But I'm still on the lookout to get like a little kind of ceramic bird that Dollar Tree has that cannot be so heavy, and I'll probably glue it onto the rim of this. But this is so pretty and beautiful, and it makes this beautiful relaxing water sound when I go sit outside in my backyard. And I just love that I was able to make like a little DIY fountain with things from Dollar Tree. Another idea for these planners is that you could turn them into side tables by using the chargers at Dollar Tree. Here is a gold charger, so you can have like kind of like an elegant kind of side table that you can have in an office or in your bedroom or even in your room next to a chair. You can also take this blue one right here where it has, for me, it feels like more of summertime, and you can put it as an outdoor chair for the front porch, the back porch. I decided to use mine in the back porch as well. And what the good thing about this is to have this as a side table for the backyard. For me, I can use it to store things inside of it. So I use it to store our bug spray, our suntan lotions, all those things that we need for the summertime. Some people, you might even put ice in it. You can use it as a cooler if that's what you would like to do. You just have to, dump it to take out the water. But having it as an extra storage side table in the backyard is so nice. And so that's what I use it for, that I can have some hidden storage, but a beautiful little side table to go outside as well. And you can change out the chargers for the seasons. You can put an orange one for the fall. You could put a red one for Christmas. So I love this fact that you could take this little like planner table and just switch it out for the seasons. And the planner that I have on this table is just one of those small planners that I shared with you guys at the beginning of this video, but this one is in gray, which I love the gray one. It came in such a beautiful color. They didn't have a big one like the gray one. They only had the small one. So I decided to just use this small one as a planner to go on the table. So I just filled it with marbles and some greenery, and it made the perfect planner decor for that side table. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which DIY was your favorite, and also what ideas do you guys have with the Dollar Tree planters, either the $25 one or the $5 one. What have you used them for in other ways besides a planner? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.